What's going on, YouTube? So today's the first day of our trip. So I'm gonna go ahead and load up the Jeep right now and show you guys how I load up the Jeep. Just want to give you guys a quick tour of the back of the Jeep now. So as you can see, it's fully loaded. It looks like it's disorganized, but we know where everything is. And as you can see here, here's our water. We got a easy up, two chairs, our burner stove. We have a flat fix right here. This basket right here contains all of our just knickknacks, electronics, and things like that. That are loose items. And as you can see here, here's our two pillows, and we plan to sleep in the Jeep. So we got our air mattresses right there, and a bigger blanket just to pad the surface down because there's a lot of gaps back here. So the problem is, the challenge is, I've done this with the Range Rover when we go camping, car camping, is that we have to move everything, to the front somewhere. So I pretty much got that dialed down. So we got our stuff pretty much. This easy up, of course, is going to stay outside. So there's going to be space here for two of us to sleep in. We tried it, so it's pretty good. We got our jackets on the sides here, over here. So yeah, it's looking like we're almost ready to go. Alright guys, I don't think you can see this, but we are at the campsite. My friend here. It's pitch black, so not much to see. Just wanna show you guys the rig. She did well. 3-hour drive. Halfway. Alright. 3.5 hours. Yeah, my friend is not roughing it up at all. I'm gonna just sleep in the Jeep. Good morning, guys. We are here, Stanislaus National Forest. We are at like a turnout. It's not like a designated camp spot, so it's a dispersed camp spot. So right off the road, because we got here at 10 o'clock at night. So here's the rig. We didn't know what this place looked like. It's July 4th weekend, so it's a lot of people around here. So here's what she's looking like. We slept inside. Really, really nice. You can fold the seats down. And I fit better in here than the Range Rover, and the Range Rover is bigger, but because the seats fold down, I was able to fit like fully stretched out actually, so I didn't expect that. The only problem was it was super cold, so I didn't layer up, so that's the only thing. But other than that, it's good because we cracked the window open with I had a window sock on the window, so we get airflow. So we got that. It's just it got cold, so that's the only thing. But look at this place. It's been flattened and everything. People actually go over here and I guess camp, and it's like it just so happens that we're the only one here last night, so that's good. We had the place to ourselves. There's some people camping over here in this area. Yeah, it's like a house over there. What is that? Probably like an outhouse or a visitor center, I don't know. So we're just gonna go have some breakfast here and start heading to Alabama Hills pretty soon. I just want to stop here and take a look at this place. It's just amazing. I'm not holding my gimbal right now, so I apologize for the shakes, but it's such an amazing scenery right here. I just had to stop. It's like a small beach over there. Here's a Jeep. So we're back in Stanislaus on the way home from Alabama Hills. And then this morning we kind of had to get up really early because we started to smell smoke. I don't want to say that it's a wildfire, but yeah, it was a lot of smoke coming into where we're camping, so almost like a fog. It was kind of hard to breathe, so we kind of made a judgment call and just said we'll just get out of here. So we were planning to leave today anyway. It's just we didn't think that it was gonna be this early, 7 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, it's fine. It's just one of those things. You gotta make a judgment call. Yeah. So right now we're on the way, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. What's going on, YouTube? So we are at my friend's house right now. So after Stanislaus is our stopping point before I go home completely. So just gonna take a break and fix our stuff in the back because we left in a hurry. Because like I said before, I thought there was like a wildfire that was going on, so we didn't want to take a risk and stay there any longer and get stuck in case there was fire. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this up, get it organized, and then we'll head out of here. All right, what's going on, YouTube? So just to wrap this video up, that was 670 miles round trip. So that's on the mud terrain tires. So I feel bad for using these tires on the freeway, but that's kind of like the nature of the trips I'm doing so far. So later on I plan to change to all-terrain. So I ordered my spare tire because this one didn't come with spare. So I ordered the wheel and the spare tire in all-terrains. So when these are due, I will be changing to all-terrains, the KO2s. So for now, really happy with the Jeep. Actually, I love the Jeep. I didn't know I was going to be a Jeep person until recently. So, you know, the ride quality compared to the Range Rover, of course, it doesn't even compare. But just I'm in it for the capabilities and the possibilities. So that's what I'm in it for. So the way this Jeep is set up, it's already incredible for me. So for what I do, I was getting 26.7 miles per gallon roughly the whole trip on the diesel. So I filled up 4 times. I didn't have to fill up, but I filled up when I crossed halfway mark, just make sure if I ever get stuck somewhere, I don't have to be scared of running out of gas. So that's just, I filled up 4 times. I think I could have gotten away with just 2. So 670 miles total. So in the coming videos, I'm about to do some changes on the mods that's on the Jeep already, because the more I use it, the more, of course, I want to change some stuff just to fine tune it. It's not really like these mods are bad. Like for example, the suspension, I want to change the suspension kit. So I'm going to retain the height of the lift. I like the lift of this. I just want to change the quality and, what kind of kit that it has. Because right now it has like a budget boost, a budget lift. So I'm going to get a proper one. And like I said, the bumper, I still have to sort out the bumper and the rear tire carrier in the back. So I'm gonna mount it on the I'm gonna get a reinforced tire carrier on the tailgate there and a bumper. So that's like the short-term list. I need a spare when I'm going out on trips. So just right now, without a spare, I was thinking about that every time when I was at Alabama Hills. You never know. You can puncture a tire random places. So it's just that, but overall, it's just an amazing Jeep. The 2020, I guess that all the technology they put into here is like, it doesn't even feel like a rugged Jeep. It's very technologically advanced, actually. So when we were sleeping inside, even if I had the key inside, you can't open the door from the outside. So we tested that because, for safety, you're sleeping in the car. Someone tried to open the door, even though the key's inside. The door will not open. So that's kind of like a safety thing for us. So we were sleeping comfortably, knowing that no one can open the door when we're sleeping. So that's one thing. It's just everything about this Jeep is just amazing. So I did use the lights when it got dark in the forest. So I like that. But overall, yeah, I'm just super tired. I'm just trying to. It's just a basic camping trip. It's not like, I'm doing crazy it's not even overlanding really, just a camping trip. It's just a basic camping trip. Just to know what I have here. I wanted to do a shakedown test and see, what else I need to change, if anything. So yeah, hopefully this video is a nice one. I put together nicely. Yeah, and I'll see you guys on the next videos. Thank you guys for watching.